What's going on, guys? Jay Zombie here, and in today's video we are going to be doing another Pokemon opening. So I have some good stuff. But let me show you what we're opening. So I bought one Guardians Rising blister pack, and we have this Champions Pass box. Set this over here. And I've got this Eternius V10, and we got this secret bag. Now this has 4 cards in it, and I will show you guys that at the end of the video. So we are going to get straight into it. So right now we're opening the 1 Guardians Rising booster pack, and then we will get into the Champions Pass, then the 10, and then I will show you guys the cards. So let's open this Tapu Koko Sun and Moon booster pack. Are you kidding me? Don't tell me these scissors ain't working. Okay, sorry scissors, but I don't like you no more. So, the pack right there. Code card for you guys as always. Okay. Guys, so we got a Lohan Geodude, Barboach, a Rockruff, Clefairy, a Vanillite, Metal Energy, Sudowoodo, Lampent, Tentacruel, Murkrow, Reverse Hollow, and we got Hello Slisk for our rare. Not a hollow, but we'll take it. We'll take it. For the reverse right there. And the energy. I'm already messed up. Alrighty. The crew. Alrighty. So, next thing we are opening is the Hantarine V Champions Pass Collection box. We don't talk about this right there. So let's get into this box. Well, we don't talk about that. Let's go ahead and open this up. So, I'm sorry about this, guys, y'all. I know y'all don't really want to watch me do that. And thank you guys for tuning into this video, because I know that y'all have time and stuff to do. So, well, there goes the jumbo. So, I really appreciate if you guys would like to come and join me here today, right now, as we open up some family-friendly Pokemon cards together. So, this is what I want to show you guys. So, this is the Jumbo, the Hantarine Jumbo. Set this right over here. And we got the Hantarine V normal. Let me grab something out of here. Where is it? I remember putting sleeves in here. There they are, guys. So let's go ahead and sleeve up this. Sleeve it up. So, here it is. And ploop. So, we're going to set this over here. And we are about to see what we get. Hopefully it's something good. Hopefully. So, Champions Pass Booster Pack. Number 1 right here. So this is what we're opening. If these scissors could cut right, we would be opening them. Guys, I was hunting all day for some Pokemon cards. I bet you guys are too. It's been hard to find some. And when you do, people are overpricing them. Like, oh my. I found a Vivid Voltage for $100. It's $100. Let's hope we can pull one of those Charizards, guys. Let's hope. There's that code card for you guys. Hope we get that Charizard, bruh. I don't want to spoil it, but I already see something in the back. I already spoiled it. Got a Rockruff, a Kakuna. We got a Hatina. And guys, I just realized this is my first Champions Pass unboxing. So, Inkay, Swablu. So, I'm pretty happy. Grass Energies, that's good at luck. We got a Machoke. Team Yellgrunt. Livebeard. A Galarian Lanoon. And we got Alcremie V. Alright, we'll take it. We'll take that card. It's a first ultra rare and it's a V off the bat. First pack. First Champions Pass opening. First Champions Pass pack. So maybe that's good luck, guys. Hopefully, we're going to hope this is good luck. We're going to hope it's good luck. We are hoping for that to be good luck. I mean, maybe that Charizard, that Charizard full art. Let's hope that it's in there. Let's hope. Guys, if we don't get that card, I'll be mad, but I'm not going to be mad, because I would still love to have anything. Anything's great. Anything. Any ultra rares I'm good with. I just want that Charizard. That Charizard? I mean, who wouldn't? I mean, it's the Charizard, guys. Code card for you guys. Alrighty. Got a Weedle. We got a Sizzlepede. Swablu. Carvana. Galarian Lanoon. Energy. Fighting. Team Yellgrunt. Kabu. Victini. Beedrill. Reverse. And Machamp. I don't think it's possible to get a pull without a Machamp in Champions Pass. Like, I've seen a lot of people, all they get is Machamps, and I'm pretty sure we got a Machamp in last pack too. I think it's like impossible. Let's see if we did get a Machamp, and I might just be losing my mind. What did I say? It was a Machoke. Not a Machamp. It was a Machoke. So, I don't know. See, it's a Machoke. Alright, I'm good with that. I'm good with the Machoke. Still, hopefully we get that Charizard, guys. I want that Charizard so bad. I mean, hey, we did get a V in the first pack, so, hey, can't complain. But I ain't complaining, guys. It's not a complaint. When you want something, it's a want. That's all it is. It's a want. It's a want, guys. Keep that in mind. Not trying to spoil. Hatterene, Nickit, Inkay. I swear if we got that card, bro. Roly-Coly. Uh-oh, guys, I see something in the back. Sizzlepede. Biting Energy. Another Machoke. Pokemon Center Lady. Hop. Hyper Person Reverse. Hey, Wailord V. Hey, you know he keep that teeth clean. He ain't afraid to show it, though, either. Hey, I ain't complaining. I'm not complaining. Wailord V. Alright. I'll take it. Set that right over there. Okay, guys. This is the last Champions Pass booster pack. If we get another one in here, I'm happy. But if I really want that Charizard, guys. Let's see if we get that Charizard. Ooh, Charizard! Please tell me the Charizard's in there, guys. Guys, the Charizard's got to be in this pack. It's got to. We're opening up this pack and we're getting that Charizard. That Charizard belongs to us. I will be a little disappointed if we don't get that. That was already a good card. We already saw it, guys. Let's hope it's that Charizard. Let's hope it's the Charizard. Guys, it had texture. It had the texture. Let's hope it's the Charizard, guys. You already know, boys. If we got the Charizard, it's some type of good card. Trubbish. Hold up, we messed some stuff up over here. If we get the Charizard, bro, I will cry. One. Roly-Coly, Trubbish. Galarian, Zigzagoon. Weedle. It's just a river of ultra rares. Hold up, I dropped the card. Sorry, guys. Just nothing but ultra rares. A Purloin. I don't know why I call him Purloin. I don't know if that's the name. Hatterene. Suspicious Food Tin. Malamar. Guys, this is the time to see the Inkay reverse. But this is the time to know if we really got the Charizard or not. Let's see if we got the Charizard, boys. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh. Oh. It's not the Charizard. It's not a Charizard, guys. It's not a Charizard. Hey, but hey, I ain't mad. I ain't mad. It's a Cursola V reverse. I ain't mad. I swear to God, guys, that was not me. I did not fart. That was the chair. If y'all heard that, that was not me. That was a chair. See? Now it's not letting me make that noise. Okay. Guys, that's good. We didn't get a Charizard, though. I ain't mad, though. I ain't mad. But we get another Champions Pass booster pack. I mean, Charizard, yes, maybe. Nah, it's not happening, guys. But a Darkness Ablaze, but just maybe. Oh wait, guys, I forgot to give you the code card to that. There, you dumb people. I never liked you guys. I never, just never, ever liked you. I'm just kidding, guys. I love you. I love all you guys. So, we're opening up the 10 Eternius 10. I'm already seeing the packs. I'm not really liking them too much, but it's fine. They're good. They're still good. Please give us something good. So, the packs we got. Hey, we did get a Darkness Ablaze. Charizard, yes. Two Darkness. Guys, we got the Charizard art. You know we're getting that Charizard. Rebel Clash, Sun and Moon. Oh, a Fates Collide. XY Fates Collide. I'm not mad with that. I'm actually pretty happy with the packs we just got. Hopefully we get some good out of them. So, guys, we are opening these right now. Right now, I mean right now. So, guys, I don't even know which one to start with. I guess we gotta start with these. The code card and the code card and the Eternius V card. So we're gonna set this right here. We're just gonna hold that. Look at that. Check it out, guys. You know you love it. And then you gotta love the code card. There you go. There you guys go. You're welcome. Now let's sleeve up this another ultra rare. Guys, I'll be so happy if we pull a Charizard. Like, guys, y'all don't understand my love for my guy Charizard. And y'all still haven't seen the surprise I got. Y'all still haven't seen it. So I can't wait to show you guys all that. So we're gonna set this, gonna get the lid to this tin. Set the tin right there. Card packs. We're saving Darkness Ablaze for last. So I guess the first thing we're opening is Sun and Moon. We're gonna do Rebel Clash. And then Fates Collide. Can't wait for that. But last but not least, Darkness Ablaze. Yes, sir. That Charizard. It's coming today. We're on that Charizard hunt, guys. You guys don't know how much I want Charizard today. Like, no matter, like, I've been going to pawn shop for Pokemon cards, trying to sell some so I can buy some. Bruh. You guys don't understand the grind. Alrighty. A Crabrawler, Sandile, Alolan Meowth, Pick a Peck. We got an Eevee. Got an Energy, Lima, Pazamian, Pokemon Catcher, a Torkoal Reverse, and we got Cloyster Rare. Not out of the Sun and Moon. That fire Pokemon, that fire Torkoal, that's a sign. That's a sign. The Charizard is coming. We're getting the Charizard, boys. It's happening today. It's happening. That Charizard is going to be in my hands. Mine. I'm the predator of the prey that is on you. Boys, you already know we're topping that Charizard, bro. Guys, I will cry if we get the Charizard. If we get the Charizard, imagine the only thing that was in this pack was Darkness Ablaze and, like, Champion's Path. Like, yes, sir. Oh, guys, the Charizard, I'm chasing it. I'm chasing my dreams, boys. I got high hopes. I don't know if it's just me. But, I mean, who wouldn't want the Charizard? Who doesn't want the Charizard? Corsola, Litwick, Shinx, Roly-Poly, Apollon, Metal Energy, Electrode, Zato, something like that. Lombre. Uh-oh, we got something behind us. We got a reverse Clefairy and... Oh, boys! Hey, let's go! Italian VMAX, I'm selling that. I'm so selling that. We got two of these boys. You already know we making that money back. Hey, I'm proud. I'm happy. I'm happy with that. And then we got one of these older packs. The Fates Collide. Trying to cut it. Trying to keep it nice, semi-nice. We can open the thing. Hey, we finally opened it. Let's go, guys. Guys, I'm not really familiar with this set, so I don't really know what can be in it or what I'll get, or I don't really know anything. Here's the code card for you guys. Hopefully y'all get something good. Wait. I think it's the same trick. I don't really know. I just think that's a good code. So, oh, there's a Meow. I guess maybe a 4-year-old pack. A Meowth, Jigglypuff, Riolu. I like Riolu. We got a Bronzor. What? Wait, guys. I guess the trick is different. Mega Audino EX. Where do I even set this? We gotta sleeve that up. A Fairy Garden Trainer. Team Rocket's handiwork. I like that. Altaria, Deerling. Oh, that's cool. Wormadam V. I mean, not V, reverse. Guys, I'm shocked. I don't really know what to say, but I'm happy, I guess. That was a shocker. I don't really know the trick for that, but all I gotta say, good condition. This could be a 10. Centering's good. No edge mess up. Centering's perfect on front. My God, guys. Well, I don't really know what to say. Not at all. I mean, but I'm shocked. That's all I can really say. Okay, guys. Do you know what time it is? It's Darkness Ablaze time, boys. Do you know what that is? Do you know what time it is? It's Charizard time. It's that big red guy time. that big orange and red guy time. That's the time. That's the time, boys. That big red and orange guy that shoots fire. That's the time. So, guys, we're gonna get this. Just watch. Watch and see. Watch and you shall see. And I hope you get some good out of these code cards, too. And now I'm checking what the cards look like. If it is one, the card back's looking good. No scratch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Charizard, come on. Come out, Charizard. I know you're in here. So we got a Hippotoss, a Golett. Oh, I almost dropped it. A Golett, Skitty. We got a Deono, Jigglypuff, Water Energy, Blastoise, Ursaring, Rose Tower, Simisear. Oh, it's a Rattata, and we got Vanillux Rare. Gonna put this reverse right there. Now let's get this out. The last pack, Charizard artwork. Guys, if we get a Charizard, y'all got to get me to, like, I know this is big, but I want to get to 1,000 subs. I want to get there, guys. Now, if y'all see this video and y'all are watching right now, I want you guys to like, share, follow, subscribe, everything. If we pull the Charizard, if we get any ultra rare, but especially if we get a Charizard, guys. I mean, please, guys, it would mean the world to me. If we got 1,000 subscribers, bro, it would mean the world to me, guys. If we hit 1,000 subs, oh my god, that would be literally insane. That would be the craziest thing ever. Like, you don't know how much that is to me. Guys, this is our last pack. So, we got a Larvitar, we got a Grimer, Galarian Darmaka, we got a Sentret, got a Rowlet, Energy, a Big Parcel, got a Pierce, Vanillish, a Wishy-Washy Reverse, and Staraptor. Boys, we didn't get it. We didn't get no Charizard today. Guys, we'll get it. And you guys think this video is over? Not even close, boy. Not close. Well, yeah, it's pretty close. But let me do a run through of all those cards we just got today. Just the ultra rares. Mega Audino, Inteleon VMAX, Eternius V, Galarian Coleslaw V, Wailord, Alcremie V. And there's one more thing I gotta show you guys. Wherever I set the thing, I found it, boys. We found the bag. Y'all guys can't see. Not now, not now. Not right now. Not yet. So I'm setting this card right over here. Okay, guys, let me show you. So, the first card is the Rayquaza. I went and picked this up. I went and got this Carbink Break and Latios EX. Now there's one thing I wanted to show you. Guys, look at this. This amazing card. I'm just kidding. 3, 2, 1. Bing. It's not the best, but it's a base set Gyarados. Hollow. Love it. Great condition. Great card. I'm loving the cards I got. Yeah. Check it out, boys. I got this card, boys. Yes, sir. Yeah. So, run through of all the cards. All the good ones. Hollows and reverse hollows also. Well, included. I guess I should say. Because we got a lot of them, boys. Latios EX. Whoops. Carbink Break. Rayquaza. All Creamy V. Wailord V. Alolan Curselove V. Eternius V. Inteleon V Max. Megadino EX. Wishy-Washy Reverse. Tyranno Reverse. Wormadon Reverse. Clefairy Reverse. Torkoal Reverse. Inkay Reverse. Hyperversion Reverse. Galarian Linoone Reverse. Beedrill Reverse. Murkrow Reverse. And Machamp Hollow. My voice is dying after saying all that. But I'm gonna have to clean up all this, aren't I? Oh wait, I forgot a card. Hatterene V. And one more. Hatterene V Jumbo. Alrighty guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Spent a lot of time. So make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel. And please like and share. Please. I would really enjoy that. And thank you guys for watching. Peace.